Hey, good morning and assalamu alaikum everyone. I just woke up and it has been snowing all night. And also, like before sleeping, I have cleaned my window, but still, it snowed so much that it had covered my front window again. And there's a truck stuck too. Right there, this truck is stuck in the snow. I don't know why he will be driving all day, so much snow. So, and let's see. Maybe the roads might be clear on the interstate, but here they need to clean this rest area too. And I'm not getting out at all. So let's check it. Dang. Look at this. This is how much it snowed just in one night, and this from the snow blizzard. Okay. Yeah, it's still snowing. Look, this guy is stuck. It's impossible to get out of this rest area now. Anyone who tried to is definitely gonna be stuck again. We'll be calling a tow truck and all that. So why to take that risk? Okay, so okay, there you go. It's gonna stop snowing in an hour probably. Not in an hour, but 2-3 hours. And then we will start cleaning up this mess. Look, there's a truck in the ditch there. And this is the result of the snow blizzard from yesterday. It started somewhere like 4 or 5 o'clock in the late afternoon, and it might finish today at 12 o'clock. So this is how it is right now. Be careful, everybody. Again, stay away from the interstates. If you're at home, stay at home. And yeah, that's all I can say. I'm going to the Trail Plaza for a good shower. Oh, I forgot my towels. Okay. That's fine. I get towel. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope you guys liked the video. Take care, everyone.